Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Emails for Website. Websites and e-commerce portals have been using and working on building multiple new ways to convert your website and visitors into future customers. For this, various product schemes and discounts are provided to a visitor if he or she opts to feed in their email addresses on the website. Emails form a valuable part of marketing and sales, as it is one of the ethical and potential ways of converting visits to sales. Start using Get Emails. Before you can start using Get Emails, you first need to install the snippet code into your website. Navigate to Code Snippet at the left sidebar of your account page. Click on Add New Domain or Script at the top right corner of your code snippet page. Once you do this, you have to enter your website address and then move on to the next page. Here, you'll have to select whether you want to install a collection script or a suppression script. The collection script captures leads on a page, whereas the suppression script prevents it. For instance, you don't need to capture leads on a thank you page, since only captured leads will see that page. Once you copy your code, you can install the code before the footer tag on the page you want to capture or suppress leads. After that, all you need is to verify your installation to complete the setup. In other words, you'll be up and running in minutes so that the tool can start collecting emails from your website visitors. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how you ever survived without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.